The speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
The worst day on Wall Street since the crash of 1987.
Leadership or offered environmentally friendly policies and technology. We see this time and time again from BlackRock. They do something that seems like they're moving in the right direction. Instead, that gun manufacturers should do more to protect the lives of the American people. So these companies about improving safety, but so far, so does its engagement with authoritarian governments. Or unknowingly, given BlackRock money, self-imposed mandates to help reduce that over time.
Releasing its numbers this morning, shares are down about 1.2%. About expectations, it's all about
around that business, but seems to be growing.
Are you curious about generating passive income through automated trading on Bybit? I've got something interesting to share, and it's completely free. Click on the link below to follow along with my trades, and you won't even need to sit in front of your computer all day. You can also take a look at my monthly trading earnings, which I'm sharing openly by clicking the link in the description. It's all about making financial gains at your own pace. Check it out.
The price of the Shiba Inu is surging thanks to an announcement of a new update, according to BINANCE CEO. Experts in the industry are now projecting a sharp increase in Shiba prices very soon. You should watch this if you own any Shiba tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inu. What recent news is there regarding Shiba Inu coins? What has Nance and Shiba Inu been up to? And how will all of this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. For this video, I did a lot of research. Thus, in order to avoid missing anything, make sure to watch through to the very conclusion. But before we get into our subject, let's examine the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on November 16th. Today's Shiba news price is approximately 895 units. The price of Shiba has risen 4.4% during the past day, with $250 million worth of trading activity. The token is now the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market cap of more than $5.2 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Her burn rate reaches a peak of 968%. The latest information from the Shipper and Explorer indicates that Shibarium is getting close to a significant milestone. The Shiba army sold off millions of Shiba coins throughout the course of the previous day, which significantly increased the value of Shibarium. Meanwhile, one of Shibarium's primary utility measures is about to reach a historic milestone. Her rate of burn increases by almost 1,000%. According to Sherburn, there has been a significant surge in the burn rate of Shiba Inu, which is the second largest meme currency in terms of market capitalization, surpassing 960%. May 20 hours ago, nearly all of the Shibarium was burnt in a single transfer, taking 14,807,888 Shiba Inu out of circulation. A total of 15,919,040 chief coins were moved to limitless wallets. Since many projects are constructed on Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain, and NFT is launching Shiba, a portion of its revenues are burned in order to lower the meme currency supply. As a result, Shibarium plays a major role in these burns. Shibarium will soon reach a significant milestone. According to information provided by Shibarium Scan Explorer, the cryptocurrency is just shy of achieving the significant 4 million transaction mark. There are 3,934,662 transactions in total as of right now. Today, 13,210 transactions take place per day, an increase of 50%, rising from the October high of 10,000, which was maintained until recently. There are 1,265,685 blockchain wallet addresses associated with Shibarium in total. It would be very appreciated if you continued to watch. Please hit the like button. It doesn't cost anything and greatly aids in channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments regarding the Shiba Inu currency. Analysts predict that in December, Shiba Inu could rise to X. In 2023, Shiba Inu has had a drab year. The price has failed to build any upward momentum, even in the face of a substantial layer of network launch sheaves. Only approximately 4% has Shiba gained since January of current year. In the same period, rival cryptocurrency Dogecoin has increased by little more than 4%. As a result, it appears that meme currencies in general have lost importance in 2023. However, one researcher believes that a price surge for Shiba Inu might occur in December. Captain Fabric, a cryptocurrency analyst, claims that Shiba Inu has broken out of its main trend line and is currently undergoing a retest. We could see a bullish rise up to 2x by mid-December if the retest is successful. The Shib price would rise from current levels to about 1694 units in a 2x rally. Furthermore, the cost would represent a record high for Shiba in 2022. The well-known meme coin has had difficulty removing the zero from after the decimal point that it acquired in May. Shiba did eliminate zero in August, but the token was unable to maintain the pricing point. But stay tuned as we uncover more information about the Shiba Inu coin and how it could impact the project's worth both now and down the road. Japanese Ines Shitoshi Kusama talks about the merging of exchanges with Shibarium. Shibarium is reaching new heights. The principal developer of the Shiba Inu project, Shitoshi Kusama, is investigating how to incorporate Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 network, into centralized exchanges. This could be a major turning point in the adoption and growth of Shibarium, the possibility of CX integration, the forward-thinking conversations that have been taking place as shared in the Shiba Inu Shibarium Telegram group, and the ongoing conversations that Kusama has mentioned with new friends about the integration. This memorandum of understanding proposes a calculated attempt to expand reach and utility Shibarium in the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem. Improving usability and update Shibarium's connection with centralized exchanges has the potential to greatly expand the network's user base by increasing its visibility and accessibility. Despite a brief period of instability brought on the heavy traffic, Shibarium has shown stable growth. The network contains around 4 million transactions, over 1.2 million addresses, and more than 1.6 million blocks produced thus far, based on data from the Shibarium scan. The integration of Shibarium on centralized exchanges may have a positive impact on prices, which could result in a rise in the usage and acceptance of the Shib's network. The pricing of Shiba Inu may benefit from increased adoption rates brought forth by this increased usage and visibility. The token gained notoriety for its astounding ascent in 2021. Despite a decline in performance from its peak, this asset is still well-liked in the cryptocurrency world. Forward-looking, Shiba's contemplation of incorporating Shibarium into centralized exchanges indicates the project's dedication to growing its clout and usefulness inside the cryptocurrency realm. This integration may play a significant role in encouraging additional Shibarium network usage, which in turn may have a favorable impact on Shiba Inu's pricing and market share. To sum up, the possible incorporation of Shibarium into centralized exchanges is a significant advancement for Shiba. It shows the project's development as well as the growing interest in using Layer 2 solutions to improve the efficiency and scalability of blockchain networks. With Shibarium's continued development, a new stage of growth and adoption in the cryptocurrency space may be sparked by its integration with major exchanges. It's now time for the primary narrative of the video today. Nance noticed that she purchased a brand new 144 billion transfer. The Bitcoin community is paying attention to a noteworthy transaction involving Shiba Inu tokens. Nance transferred a massive 144 billion Shiba, or almost $1.293 million, which sparked conjecture about the motivations behind the action and its possible effects on the performance of the token price. Shiba has demonstrated significant price resilience in the past, holding its position amid larger market volatility, and this transaction took place during that period. This transfer may indicate a number of tactical actions on the part of the token holder, such as moving tokens for staking or liquidity provision in decentralized finance protocols, preparing for a big sale, or redistributing assets among accounts for security reasons. She is presently going through a phase of consolidation in terms of price activity after a recent surge. The 200-day exponential moving average was functioning as a dynamic support that would spur a rebound, according to the chart, which shows that she was trading above a significant support level. The relative strength indicator is circling about a neutral zone, and the trade volume has been steady, neither of which supports overbought nor oversold situations. This implies that the rally can last as long as there is continued purchasing pressure and a bullish outlook in the market. But researchers and traders are also leery of any reversal signals. If the tokens are moved, a significant transfer like this might result in more selling pressure. One trade with a view to selling. An abrupt increase in volume combined with a decline in price would be a typical sign of a trend reversal. Because major coins like Shiba are speculative, the market's response to such large transfers can be erratic. If the holder intended to sell, this could cause other investors to sell as well, which would correct the price. Because they trust the Shiba Inu creators and the true worth of Shiba, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling Shiba for the next 5 years and will instead hold millions of them. What number of ones do you guys have? Remember to include a list of your Shiba holdings in the box below. Let's give the Shiba owner credit for having faith in the procedure. Please give the video a massive thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Enroll in the channel. Please share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token with us in the comments section. Also, don't forget to enable post alerts so that you may be informed whenever we upload a new video. However, she isn't the only project you ought to be considering purchasing right now. Currently is the ideal time to acquire, as there are 20 crypto projects that have the potential to create billionaires. Click the video now to learn more about the 20 projects. You really don't want to miss this, I assure you.